Well, if you haven't heard, Ryan Breece, who is racing multiple rounds of Supercross and also Arena Cross, finished 19th in the opening round of Supercross, missed the second round because of a knee injury. Well, this weekend, he's racing both. And this, it gets even worse because he has an ACL injury that happened in November. And after a crash in the opening round of Supercross, he now has a grade 2 MCL tear and a little meniscus tear on the slight edge. You gotta talk about like people who are like gutsy. I mean, this is insane. You've got an ACL tear, now an MCL tear, and a meniscus tear, and you're racing not only one round or one series, but planned at least, Supercross on Saturday and Arena Cross on Friday. Entering the seventh round of Arena Cross this weekend, he was third behind his teammates Vince Friese and Michael Hicks. And obviously, one round of Supercross finishing 19th. He's pretty down the order there, especially not making the second round. But you still have to give it to him. I mean, trying to race two rounds in one weekend with a horribly hurt knee, you got to give it to these guys. I mean, this is ballsy. Most people would have anywhere near that, an MCL tear, ACL tear, anything like that. They're not walking. And you got this guy, nope, I'm going to go racing and I'm doing all of the racing possible. It's cool to see. I mean, it sucks, obviously. You never want to see anybody injured, especially stuff like this. But in the middle of the year, what are you going to do? Stop? I mean, this is all these guys do is train, race, and very little time for off season, especially now that Supercross is starting, trying to make every night show you can, get that bonus, and sucks to see. Knock on wood, he doesn't get hurt anymore, and he has some pretty good finishes to make this all worth it. And you gotta say, go show him some love for being out there and doing what he's doing. But you guys tell me, are you watching Arena Cross? Are you just only Supercross fans? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.